He came bounding down the porch steps, a tall, skinny boy carrying a microscope in a wooden case.
I said, "Who's that?"
That's Dr. Henry Plummer. I think he is really an extraordinary young man.
He was determined to make medical care as easily available, efficient, effective, and inexpensive as possible.
One of the first things he turned his attention to was our record keeping.
Dr. Plummer wanted a system that would better serve the patients, the practice, and the cause of research.
He was thinking ahead to when we would have hundreds of thousands of patients, millions of patients.
He was a diversified genius. That's the only phrase for it.
He could invent anything, like Thomas Edison.
Not 10 years after we moved into our first building, Henry insisted it was time to start on a new one.
He brought everything together under one roof. The care of patients, research into the causes of disease, medical education. A small army of artisans went to work in glass, stone, plaster, and bronze. He wanted warm colors that would please the eye and have a calming effect.
Dr. Plummer was a pioneer in many phases of medicine, and in each made outstanding contributions.
It's hard to calculate how many lives Henry saved with his discoveries.
He did sometimes live in his own world.
He'd work his way down the hat rack till he found one that fit and wear at home.
My only explanation is that he's a genius with all the usual eccentricities.
He was a man with the finest humanitarian characteristics.
He was truly one of the giants of the Mayo Clinic.
From Mayo Clinic Heritage Films comes the story of Dr. Henry Plummer, as told by the people who knew him, worked with him, and loved him.